Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted. You're hearing right now Brother Urban King Burner, who is DJing at our Freedom Gospel Church Fair. This is day 2. This is the 3 o'clock hour. We are excited to have you here. The angels are here. Maeko is here. Electra is here. Samuel from the River is here. We want all the churches and different ones to come out. We are so excited. Charlize is here. Ivy is back. Raven can't get enough. And Pastor Vala is just having a great time. And there's Lewis. And here we see the angels. Pull me. Come enjoy this amazing time. Sandy is back. Sunny came back. Hey there, Sham and Maiji. Good to see you. Good to see Lauren, of course. So come on out and be a part. I've never heard gospel house music before, so if you've never heard it, you should come on down here and enjoy DJ Urban. Coming in right now is Rave Max coming into Freedom Gospel Church Fair. And we are so excited to have him here. See you here. God bless you. See you in a minute.